Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark III. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning, enter Play Store. Search for battery sound notification app and open it after downloading. Now tap the plus button in the right corner and select the mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech.
Disconnected.
Name your function, give it description, and tap this button to save. And now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.